Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I took a little bit of a hiatus for a while, but don't worry, I'm totally back. So let's talk about August kit. It is one of my favorite kits that we've ever done. On point people, on point. So what are you gonna get in the August kit? Well, you're gonna get these sexy pink bags. You have these lovely, great bags. Carry out all your Posh products in. I love them, they're great, they're huge. But let's talk about what comes in them. First up, we have Honey Honey. Honey Honey is full of honey goodness, just like the name implies. It's gonna help super dry skin, it's going to heal them, and it's gonna feel great, all while smelling a little bit like Skittles. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. You have Milky Knit Chunk. This is one of my favorite chunks. In fact, I just sent this to my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law's gone through a bajillion different chemos and she's got super dry skin. It's got goat's milk and honey and it's super nourishing and it's going to help moisturize her to the max. And that's something she desperately needs. There's a lot of people that desperately need that. I also sent her, coinky-dinkily enough, PJs all day. This is our lavender sugar scrub. Sorry, I just needed a moment. Anyway, this has lavender and vanilla, and let me tell you, you have not lived until you've shaved with one of our scrubs. Now this one is not super gritty, it's not harsh, it's a very light, fine grit, but it's absolutely amazing. Get all that dead skin off. You're gonna get one of my favorite masks, Totes Oats. As if, people, if you don't recognize what this is from, then I don't know what to tell you. Oh wait, you might have seen an outfit with it in Target about this time. It's crazy. Bring back the 90s. Anywho, Totes Oats is one of my favorites because it is a body mask. I'd love to put this on my shoulders after I get burnt. I can put it on where I have extra dryness. I can put it on my knees, on my elbows. It smells like almonds. It's got oats and it's got honey. Once again, honey does the healing. Absolutely amazing. And if I want to be extra special, I can put it on and watch Clueless all at the same time. Going on our lavender theme, we have Feel Better Soon. This is our lavender soap. It is absolutely a little like heaven. I like to call this Dear God, Please Go to Bed soap. I mean, lathering up my 6-year-old in it and going, go to bed, go to bed, go to bed, go to bed, go to bed. Oh wait, is that just me that does that with my kids? Then I also put this on her, which is the Sleepy Sleep Stick, and I call this the Dear God Go to Bed Stick. So I put it on her pulse points, everywhere, on her chest, and then pray that she goes to sleep. No, but legit, lavender helps woosah you down so you can actually relax and calm, and it smells amazing. You have 3 other amazing skin sticks that you are going to get in your kit. Bam! This is my go-to stick for everything. The Healer. It's great for tattoos, for bug bites, for burns, for cuts, for scrapes, for falling down and getting your knee all scraped up, for, you know, touching the stove when you shouldn't have, for hangnails, you name it, this works. Oh, your lips, a baby's butt, but don't put it on your lips afterwards. That's really nasty, don't do that. The purifier is great if you get sinus issues. You can put it right around your nose. It keeps bugs and nasty things off of you. For some people, I've heard that. The Honey Honey too, I've heard does that as well. But it's absolutely amazing. It's got eucalyptus and tea tree in it. It's great for oil control and acne. Lastly, one of my all-time favorites is the Perk. My husband keeps this with him at all times because he gets really crazy migraines. You just take this and rub it on the back of your neck and sometimes put it on your pulse points, and it will temper your headache down with fabulous peppermint essential oils. What more could you ask for? Next up, Social Butterfly Hand Cream. This is candied blackberry. The thing about our hand creams is you don't need a whole bunch like you do with other products, you know, the other products. Anyway, my rule of thumb is always just a dot, not a lot. You put it on, you rub it in, you're gonna be able to snap your fingers, touch your phone, not leave greasy things, you're not gonna slip all over. Absolutely amazing. If you don't believe me, try it. Next up is the BFF. Will you be my BFF? But really, you don't leave home without this. At least I don't. This is our #1 face wash. It's exfoliating with sugar beads. It has grapefruit. It has peppermint in it. It's fresh, it's filling, and it is the most amazing one on the face of the planet. Once again, you don't need a whole wedge, just like a little bit. Don't leave home without this one. When I first heard this was coming back, I might have bought like 20 of these, but literally this is like my favorite set ever. It's like Sexy Beach. Yes, I can see it. The Rock handing me drinks on my Sexy Beach. That's what this smells like. Last up, just for this month, you get extra bath bombs. These are our fizzy bath bombs. They're super fizzy. They smell good. They don't leave your skin dry and itchy. Fizzy like you put ice cream in sherbet, and it fizzes like that. Kind of like that. You're gonna have to be careful because if you have small children, they're gonna get into them and you're gonna end up with no bath bombs left. Like, they are regulated in my house. Last but not least, you're going to get the Ritual face mask. Please don't judge by the old school container. I am old school, but they do come in a tube now. But this is an exclusive consultant only mask. A deep cleansing mask, and it really pulls all the junk and crap out of your skin. You only get it if you're a consultant. If I could rejoin just for this, I would totally do it. Don't forget about the business tools that you guys get in it. You get more than this. You get more, okay? You don't just get two, but you get samples. So you get hand cream samples, you get body care samples, you get a vial sample, which I'm actually out of, but it's a little sheet where you can sample the great vial colors, the primer and the 2 different colors. It's like on point, people, on point. So you get all these things, and it's fabulous. It's like over like $250 worth. It's insane. So if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments below. Shoot me a message. All my social media is down there. Shoot me a message. Ask me any questions you want. I mean, there are questions like, why are you so insane? I don't really have an answer for that one. I mean, I just don't. But I'll be more than happy to answer any of the questions you have, and I can't wait to see you on my team. Oh, and by the way, you can still earn a free trip to Puerto Vallarta. There are people that are killing it, and you can too, because you are amazing. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I will talk to you guys later.